let's focus on the sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in nap, in the middle of words like in candy, and in the end of words like in man. To make the sound, put the tip of your tongue lightly behind your top front teeth. Press the sides of your tongue against the upper back teeth. Keep your teeth slightly apart. Let the air flow out through your nose while the back of your mouth is open. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. Now you try to say the sound. Today we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter N is a consonant that makes the voiced sound like in the word nap. We'll use the sound when decoding a word with the letter N. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the sound. First, look at the word. Then say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter N makes the sound. Nap. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word nap. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant N, which makes the sound.